Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair. This is not the end result, this is before we start. I get so many questions about how I curl my hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know why, because usually when my hair is done, it looks very nice. It doesn't look very nice right now, but I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair because this is a highly requested video. So if you guys want to see how I curl my hair, then stay tuned. So first things first, I'm going to start by sectioning my hair by like the top and the bottom. I do a smaller section on top. I have a lot of hair, you guys, and I don't wear extensions. I can't even tell you the last time I wore extensions. I own extensions, but on a day-to-day basis, I don't wear them, like, ever. So I got my little top knot going on, sectioned off the top part, and then I'm going to divide the bottom half of my hair into two sections, into a right and a left, okay? I'm going to take my paddle brush. This is a wet brush. The brand is called Wet Brush. I personally don't use anything except wet brush because this is the best brush ever. Your brushes matter and the way you brush your hair matters, you guys. I have bleached hair, okay? It's very processed and bleach can be very damaging. My hair is not fried. It's not. It's finally healthy, but that's because I've worked very hard to have healthy bleached hair, okay? And we're gonna start with brushing. I've seen girls do hair tutorials and they're just ripping through their hair, you guys. That's going to cause breakage. So if you don't know, now you know. Brush your hair gently. If your brush is not going through your hair, slow down and just brush really gently. Don't force it. Don't rip through your hair. That's so important. Brush through your hair gently. Take the time. It's only going to take like an extra couple minutes. Don't rip through your hair, okay? So I'm going to brush out these sections because it's easier to work with hair that's not all tangled and knotty. And I'm also going to let you know that my hair is currently clean. I washed it yesterday and I don't use any styling products, okay? I do use a detangler spray when my hair is wet, and I also put a little bit of oil in my hair when it's wet. But when I'm styling my hair, I do not use hairspray. I don't use any styling products at all. I personally feel like my hair gets weighed down by hairspray and styling products. I feel like when I use hairspray and styling products, my hair does not hold a curl. That might not be the case for everyone. I know some people need hairspray when they curl their hair. So if you need hairspray, go ahead, do you. But I don't use it because I don't need it. My hair holds a curl just fine on its own and it feels much better when I don't use hairspray. So no hairspray for me. So anyways, I've sectioned my hair in two sections, from the top and the bottom, and then I section a left and a right. I'm going to start over here. I kind of take big sections of my hair, okay? Because when I curl my hair, it's more of like big loose waves. And I'm using a curling iron that is 1.5 inches. It's a barrel curling iron, so it's not a wand. It has the little clasp thing. I prefer these over the wand. I don't really like wands at all. I feel like a wand is going to give you a different look also. So if you're trying to achieve the look that I do, try this type of curling iron. I also don't like wands because you have to like use both hands the whole time, you know, and you have to like hold the hair on the wand. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm old school. I also don't like this curling iron. The only thing that really matters is the size, okay? I would recommend getting a curling iron from like Hot Tools. I feel like they have really good curling irons. This is a Paul Mitchell and I don't like this clasp because sometimes my hair just slips out of it, which is so annoying because I feel like this is kind of a weak design or something. I'm not sure, but this Paul Mitchell, no offense, it's not that good. I just use it because it still works, whatever. Why am I gonna buy another one? But if you don't have one and you're gonna go like buy one, don't buy the Paul Mitchell one. Just buy like Hot Tools. I'll link one down below if I remember, but just make sure the size is 1.5 inches. That's what's most important. And then I'm going to curl away from my face. So the hair is curling away, okay? And the most important part here is that you don't curl the very end, okay? I'm leaving out the end. This is going to be straight, and that is what's going to give me the look that I always get, okay? If I include this into the barrel and curl the very end, it gives me a very, very different look. So if you're trying to really achieve the look that I do when I curl my hair, then make sure you leave about an inch or two of the hair out and don't curl the end, okay? And I'm just gonna wait about, I usually count to like 8 in my head. I don't know, it's just a magic number. And then I release the hair, and it's gonna be like a tight little barrel curl right now, whatever. It's gonna be a tight little like George Washington curl. Just leave it. Don't do anything to it yet, just leave it alone. And then repeat that for the rest of this hair. You guys have so much hair. I'm probably gonna like fast forward through this part because I'm literally just doing the same thing. See, again, oh my god. Okay, see, again, I'm leaving this part out. I'm not curling the ends. This is important. You'll see why at the end. Okay, I also want to mention that when I get to the other side of my head, again, the hair is being curled away from my face. So you're going to have to hold your curling iron in such a way that you're able to curl away from your face on this side as well. It's kind of a learning curve if you're not used to curling your hair. I literally curl my hair like almost every single day, so it's just like muscle memory for me, or like second nature or whatever. I'm just so used to it that I don't even have to think about it anymore. But I know that you do have to, like, you know, if you're not used to curling your hair every day, you do have to think about the way in which you're holding your curling iron so that you can curl the hair in the direction that you want it to be curled. Because you don't want to curl like the hair on this side away from your face and then curl this side towards your face. You know, you want to make sure that you're intentionally curling your hair away from your face on both sides. So I ended up with like 4 curls on each side of my head. I'm not going to touch them yet, okay? I'm going to unsection the top part of my hair. I'm going to part my hair where I usually part it, which for me is down the middle. I've been parting my hair down the middle forever now. I gave up the side part a long time ago, like after high school. So no, I didn't get this from Gen Z. I just like to part my hair down the middle. I don't know why my age group is so afraid of parting their hair down the middle, but I have friends who are like, oh my god, no, never, I could never. I just think it looks so good. Don't be afraid to experiment with your part. But anyways, I part my hair down the middle because that's just where I part it. So when I take down this top section, you know, just part your hair wherever you part it. And then do the same thing. Repeat the same thing that you just did. I end up sectioning this top part again by like a left and a right section, or a left and a right. This is my right, this is my left. Anyways, I curl this side away from my face, and then I curl this side away from my face. I do the same thing. I'm curling big sections. So let me do that really quick, and then I will show you what I do when I'm done curling. Okay, so I've curled all my hair. This is what it looks like now. I call this a George Washington. This is not the end result, okay? This is the most important part right here. Get your brush. I kind of let my hair cool off first because when it's cool, I feel like the curls are like locked in. So I kind of let it cool off before I do the next step. My hair looks way darker on camera than it does in real life, but that's okay. My roots are very dark right now. But when I'm done curling my hair, I take my brush and I brush it out. This is so important if you're trying to get the look that I get, okay? Brush all these curls out. Ready? Brush them out. It's gonna relax them a lot. like I said at the beginning, I go for like a more wavy, like a loose wave, a loose curl. That's why I use a bigger barrel. The smaller the barrel, the tighter the curl, okay? If you want a tighter curl, use a smaller barrel. But if you want a loose looking wave like me, then use the size that I use, which is 1.5 inches. So this is what the back looks like. My space here is so small, so I'm sorry I can't get that far away from the camera, but that's what my hair ends up looking like. It's just like a nice loose wave. My hair is very long right now, so yeah, and this is what it looks like from the front. It will fall a little bit more, but that's how I get my hairstyle. And then I just end up with this nice like big loose waves. It's not like tight curls. If you're looking for like tight curls, this is not the tutorial for you, but if you're looking for my exact hairstyle, this is how I do it. And like I said, I don't use any hairspray or anything. My hair will literally hold this for like days now. But yeah, that is how I curl my hair. That's how I get this hairstyle. And this is the end result. This is what it ends up looking like. Looks so pretty and nice. Nice loose curls, loose waves. And the key is to not curl the ends, because if you curl the ends, it ends up looking a little more curly. If you leave the ends out of the barrel like I do, then you get that like wavy look. And that's it. It's super easy. Honestly, when I'm not explaining it in great detail, this hairstyle takes me like maybe 10 minutes. I do it super quick. It's my everyday go-to hairstyle, and that's it. That's how I do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. If you did, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Check the description box below. I'll try and list a better curling iron for you guys, and I'll also list the brush that I use as well. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. I will try to answer them for you. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!